In Buzz, you can review all activities in a course using the Activities tool. There's two ways to access your activities for any course. At the bottom of each course is an activities icon you see here. You can also access the activities for a course by clicking on the main menu, going to the course you want to view the activities, and then selecting Activities. Once you open the activities, you can see the overview of the course. From this view, you're in the Activities tab. There's also a To-Do List tab. In this Activities tab, you will see the assignment you last visited, what's up next. You can see your score, your grades. You can hide certain scores. You can view your progress and see any badges that you have received. You can also see the full list of courses in the order that your teacher has scheduled them for you. You can search for activities by start to type in the search box. At any point, I can click on these activities to take me directly to the activity I am looking for. Once in here, you can read the instructions and complete your activities.